This is how I cook my Okonghobon egusi yeah, good meat. I shit, God, it's very delicious. Guys, don't know, don't read it. You don't read it, you don't done. You don't read it, you don't done. Yes, so guys, go. Wow. Very fresh. Anything this is good. Iron, they give you iron, vitamin, all things it could give you for you. Just the watch. Guys, share me the video, please. Thank you. This is Okonghobon Ogo leaf. Yes, guys. That's why I just steam my meat. You see, my meat that don't join now with kanda. Just the steam the goosey. Yes, you turn them well. Steam the meat. Steam them. Yes, guys. So this is how the meat, the kanda, the goosey is preparing. Before I go put vegetable, just watch what I'm showing you. That's a fish, dry fish. They sell dry fish. That fish, I sell it. You need a scatter. The fish fine for soup. See crayfish. What I go put inside. Vegetable. You need to put that smoked fish and crayfish inside. That's where you get the taste of the vegetable. Even the sauce of the meat. The kandana just to make it spice. Now na time we go put the red oil. Look at the red oil. That's what we use to cook the vegetable. We have not started putting the vegetable. I've not started putting the oil. So likely I will start to put the vegetable. Sorry guys, sleep the worry me. Right now when they start to put the vegetable. Yes, so wow. That's fresh ugu leaf. Okonghobon. Bonky Kongo. That's our Okonghobon in the fire. Winter, you sabi cook, you know something. No be only to put that thing, put rishi. Now, if the food is sweet, winter, your food comes sweet. Because I take my time to cook. Look at egusi. Now lump of egusi that too. Wow. Hey, melon dey inside. This one, now the next day they sweet. Today we'll be eating it with unripe plantain. Double iron. Double iron, we need it in our body. We need this vegetable. We need the plantain in our body. Even you watching this video, you need to eat vegetable.